Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, let's talk about how to safely install the OpenClaw. So what do you need? You will need a PC or Mac. You don't need to buy a new machine. Basically, for any machine, I really recommend to use a virtual machine. That's for safety concern. And because it will need large language models, you will need a provider, for example, the OpenAI API. So you want to be able to talk to it. So for the messaging, you can use Telegram or use others. In order to safely install it, we will use a container, so which basically is a virtual machine. We will be use a software called Stack, so which has a free version. So you can download that for Apple Silicon. So we can download that and then we can install it. So basically just double click on it and drag it onto the application. So once it's installed, you can open it on your application launcher. Click open on it. Alright, so here, once you install it, so you can easily start a new machine. So click the new machine. And in here, you can give it a name. You can choose the distributions. So there are multiple versions. You leave it as default one. You can also choose the version, architecture, and you can give it a username and then just click create. Yeah, so very quickly, I think then you can see that it shows you it is installed and running, right? So this is the information for the computer. So it's basically a virtual computer within your MacBook. You can open your terminal and you can connect to it. So it will be SSH and ORB. So now you are inside of the container and then this is the version you installed. And once we are inside the computer, we can go to the OpenClaw official site. We see there is a installer, basically a one-line installer, and just copy that and paste it onto the terminal. So let's install it. So press enter to continue. All right, so we see that OpenClaw has been installed successfully, and it will start the setup process. So now we see there is the questionnaire, there is security warnings, and yes, I understand. Press enter to continue. For the onboarding mode, choose quick start or menu. So I recommend doing the quick start. And in here, this is the list of the authentication, the provider for large language models. So choose the one you have. We can, for example, choose OpenAI. If you have a subscription, you can use it. But for now, I'll use the API key. And now you will enter your API key. Okay, so enter your API key, and then it will ask you to choose the model from OpenAI. So OpenAI has many models, so choose the one you want. The latest one, I think, is GPT 5.3 codex. There is 5.2 codex too. So we can choose the 5.2 codex. And in here, there is ask you to select the messaging channel. So for example, if you have a Telegram, so we'll do that. Press enter. So it shows you the instruction. So in here, you will need to create a bot. So inside your Telegram, you open it and chat with the bot father. So this is a bot father account. Within the interface, you just press the /new bot, and it will ask you what's the name of the bot you would like it to be, and then to give you a token. And the token is what something you can need to copy and paste in here. Alright, so the next question is about the skills. You may install additional skills if you would like. Alright, so the API key has been successfully installed. So the gateway has been here. So I think it tells you some of the tokens. So here is the important one. I think this one will need to basically is a password that you will need to access the web UI for it. So take a note on that. Alright, so I think we successfully installed the OpenClaw and also set up the Telegram and the OpenAI API. So as we just see that we have authentication code, we will need to go to this location, and we see that we have a JSON file. We will open it. We'll do this one. So if the nano is not installed, you can use just CAT. Scroll down, there is the agent. Go to the gateway, and there is authentication, there is token. So this token, we will need it. Just copy that. Go back to your web browser and go to the 127.0.0.1 and column 18789, press enter. So this one will show you the web UI for the OpenClaw. So in here, go to the overview, and you will need a gateway token, and press connect. Yeah, so now it is able to connect to the OpenClaw, and now you see that if you click the channel, you see that Telegram is configured good. So now you can go to the chat. You see that it has the chat interface. You can press message to it. Yeah, and it will give you some instructions. You can start to chat with it. So what model are you? We see that it shows us the model he's using. You can also to send a message to it in your Telegram, and you will get a pairing code. And then you can, once you have the code, you can pair it here. Just say, can you do a Telegram pairing? The code is, so here you provide your code. And then after that, you are able to communicate it via the Telegram. So I think this is very, very convenient. You just ask it if you don't know anything about it. Once you want to stop it, you can stop, you can restart, you can also terminate it, delete it. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumb up and share it. Please subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.